Dude, मुझे ऐसे सुसाइडल मैसेजेस मत भेजा कर. And honestly, सुसाइडल मैसेजेस के साथ काफी रिक्वेस्ट्स मैसेज का पर्पस डिफीट कर देती है. Alicia, I'm going to kill myself. P.S. Bring a cup of coffee from Barista on your way over.
This is good coffee, you know. I mean, you really know how to make my coffee. This is...
अब सुना, अपनी लाइफ के सेकंड रील में ही दी एंड लगाने का लॉजिक क्या है? And it better be good.
Nazia left me.
Get over it. वो सिर्फ तुझे ही नहीं, हम सबको छोड़कर चली गई है. और पेरिस कौन सा इतना दूर है? She'll be back in no time.
Oh, hello, madam. She left me. She dumped me.
Oh, shit, I'm sorry. ये कब हुआ?
कल शाम को before her flight. Listen, will you marry me?
What? Christ. How long have you guys been going out, Aditya?
A month.
A month. And what did you ask her to do?
I asked her to marry me. What? So?
So you're missing the point.
No, you are missing the point, and the point is that I love her.
आदित्य बच्चा, when will you understand कि 2 मिनट वाली मैगी लव फेज नहीं काम करते?
Alisha Bacha, when will you understand? You don't need time to fall in love. What's wrong with you?
Yes, you do, Aditya.
No, you don't, Alisha. And Nazia needs to understand this, yeah. You know what she's telling me? She's telling me कि long distance relationships काम नहीं करते. And apparently, पिछले एक हफ्ते से she's been planning to break it up with me. और मैं एक फूतिये की तरह उसे मैरिज प्रपोजल दे रहा था.
Wake up and smell the coffee. लोगों को लगता है कि प्यार करने के लिए सिर्फ एक पल काफ़ी है. But the truth is, it's a lot more than that. जितना वक्त प्यार को भुलाने में लगता है ना, उतना ही वक्त उसे जगाने में भी लगता है. It takes years, trust me, to know the person, to understand him, his key habits, to stick around when nobody else does. That's what it takes.
What?
Are you even listening?
Yeah.
I'm just messaging Nazia.
Nazia, I've spent a sleepless night, which is one vision in my mind.
That's good stuff, right? Good stuff, right?
तू है ना, भाड़ भेजा. तेरा ना कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
Alisha, I just want her back, यार. तू इतना बोल रही है, तू बता ना, तू मेरे जगह होती तो तू क्या करती?
I would back off. हाँ, जाती थी मैं, छोड़ देती थी. But as if you're gonna listen to me, so go ahead, get your heart broken. फिर वापस मुझे ही messages आएंगे, right? Suicidal वाले.
लौट के भी तो तेरे पास आऊँगा ना.
अच्छा. I've got this really cliched Hollywood style idea, okay? If I'm 40 and you're 40 and both of us are unmarried.
Am I your insurance? Listen, I've seen enough Hollywood movies to know that people who make these kind of pacts also end up together. ज़्यादा सोच पर इतना समझी ना. I'm gonna go get freshened up, and when I come back, you are taking me out for dinner, and I wanna get drunk, like shit-faced drunk. मुझे ये आज का दिन भूलना है.
लोगों को लगता है कि प्यार करने के लिए सिर्फ एक पल काफ़ी है, बट द ट्रूथ इज इट्स अ लॉट मोर देन दैट. जितना वक्त प्यार को भुलाने में लगता है ना, उतना ही वक्त उसे जगाने में भी लगता है. It takes years, trust me, to know the person, to understand him, his key habits, to stick around when nobody else does. That's what it takes. Hey Nazia, Alicia here.
How's he doing?
He's fine. He'll be okay.
I've changed my mind, Alicia. तूने कहा था कि I'll be better off without a long distance relationship. But I've realized how much I love him.
You can't just walk in and walk out whenever you want, Nazia. I mean, do you think he'll be okay with this?
Alicia, please, just tell him that I called. And I'll wait for his call. और अगर वो मुझे नहीं कॉल करता तो I'll respect his wishes.
Fine. But if he doesn't call back, don't harm him, okay? Deal?
Deal.
तू किसी से बात कर रही थी?
हाँ. That's it. Just telling him that I'll be late.
You know what? I've been thinking, and you are absolutely right. मुझे उसकी कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. You know what? I am wiping my hands off this entire Devdas episode. खत्म.
Good for you, Aditya.
You know what? Alright, I'm just gonna say this. I was in the bathroom and I had this moment of clarity. And I don't want this to affect our friendship at all. But I'm only saying this because I love you. I really love you, Nazia.
Alicia.
What?
My name is Alicia. By the way, Aditya,
Yeah.
Nazia called.